Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a used auto dealer website using Wix. Wix website builder is beginner friendly and you can get started for completely free. You're going to go onto wix.com and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. Then from there, you're going to tap on set up without chat. After doing that, all you'll need to do now on the search bar, you're going to type in used and you can see used auto dealer. You're going to select that, then tap on continue and you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can give your website a name. Then you will tap on continue and from there you can choose whether you have an online store or not. So I'm going to be selecting no. I'm just starting out. Then from there you can choose what you'll be doing and we're going to be selling products. So we can tap on physical product. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue. Then we'll be accepting payments online and we'll also be accepting payments in person. Then you will tap on continue once more. Then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to hover over catalog. Then you're going to select store products. And this is where you'll be able to add the pictures of the different items that you're planning to sell. So for example, as a used auto dealer, more than likely you'll be selling used cars and other stuff. So the first thing you'll need to do is remove the sample products. So you can tap on the box in the top left hand corner to select all products. Then you could tap on more actions. After selecting more actions, you can tap on delete. Then we'll tap on new product in the top right hand corner. Select physical product. After doing that, this is where you'll be able to add or list your products. Now, once you're on this page, what I want you to do next, you can tap on add images. After selecting add images, you could select upload media and you could upload an image, for example, of the car. So I'm just going to type in used car, for example, sake. And I'm going to be selecting a car. So let's say, for example, this one. Then we'll tap on add to page. After doing that, you could add a video also if you want. Then you can scroll down and you could type in the model car. So for example, let's say Mazda, and you could add a description. Then by scrolling down, you can add different sections. So for example, you can add information on the engine, on the different conditions by tapping on add an information section. Then you can set the price that you would like to charge. Then after doing that, you can choose whether you like to go on sale and you can choose the cost that you paid for it. So you could add that in right here for your personal information. So you'll be able to track your profit. So you can scroll down also, and if you'd like to add any custom text field, you can do that, or any other form of information that you'd like to add, you can do that right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and you can continue adding different cars and set up right there. So you can add numerous vehicles right there. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, hover over getting paid. Then you're going to tap on connect and set up. And you're going to tap on connect payment method. From here, depending on the country you're located in, you can offer different payment options. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location by tapping on Jamaica, let's say for example, we were to change it to Canada, you will realize that I can now offer more payment options. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. And to see even more payment options, you can tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. And you can see the different payment options right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then tap on design site. And you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and select any one of the templates. Normally I would select one of the top 3. So I'm going to be using this one. So I'll tap on edit. Once on this page, you're going to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can start editing your website. So we could tap on the text, tap on edit text, and you could change the text if you want. So let's say I were to change this to Jason Express. Then we can scroll down and we could change the background image by tapping on quick edit. You could tap on change from the right hand column. Then from there you could select image, or you could select video and you could add in an image. So let's say for example I were to type in car, and you can see numerous cars right there that I can choose from. And I'm going to be selecting this one, then tap on change background. After doing that, you can continue editing it. So we could go back, you could change the text once more. So I'll change the title right here from Auto Express to Jason Express. Then you can change the other text section, and you can tap on each section and edit it. So you could add in different images right here by tapping on change, and you will simply use their layout, but you can add in your own information. So for example, right where you see pre-owned, you will tap right there and you'll edit the text below it, and you can also edit the text below new inventory. And then from here you can see the different car displays, so you can see how it looks, and you can edit that also. And if we were to tap here, you can tap on manage media. After selecting manage media, you can upload your cars right here. So you can tap on replace image, and you could replace each car image with one of your own choosing. And that's how you'll be able to quickly edit your website. Once you're finished, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on pages and menu, and you can see all of the pages that are currently on your website. Once you're finished editing all of the pages, so again, you'll simply tap on manage media, and you can edit all of these, and you can add in the cars that you have available. Then you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.